Automobile insurance is something that is entirely necessary in the modern world of today. There are many reasons why vehicle coverage is necessary, not least of which is the constant threat of vehicle theft or hijacking, not to mention the increased chance of collisions that are due, among other things, to the heavy congestion on our roads. As a result, the majority of us accept that we need to possess vehicular cover of some sort, but that does not mean we enjoy the prospect of having to find car insurance quotes. Fortunately, there are a number of ways of taking the effort out of getting car insurance quotes that may even help you save money on your monthly premiums in the long run. The key is to make haste slowly. Now this may sound like a contradiction in terms, but what it really means is that you want to get the task of acquiring quotations over and done with quickly, but without, for instance, making any decisions about coverage that could potentially not be in your favor later down the line should you need to submit a claim. What you do not want to do is procrastinate, especially if your vehicle is uninsured, as you never know what could happen while you are putting off getting car insurance quotes. It is actually very easy to get quotes nowadays, as insurers, on the whole, are falling over themselves to get your business, and all you need to do is make contact with them initially to get the ball rolling. If you do not want to spend the time telephoning companies for estimates, or racking up your telephone account for that matter, you can go online to request a quotation. All reputable insurance providers in operation nowadays have their own websites where you can enter your particulars and they will get back to you. Having said that, the last thing you want to do is to contact a single company and then accept the quote they give you unconditionally just because you want to save yourself the time and effort of comparing quotations. You really ought to get at least a handful of car insurance quotes to give you the range of estimates you will need in order to make an informed decision when it comes to choosing the quote. However, getting a number of estimates need not necessarily involve a lot of effort on your part either, as there are online service providers who will arrange for you to get multiple quotes back on the one set of details you provide them with. When it comes to actually choosing a quotation, you may be tempted to go with the cheapest one you have received. However, the cheapest one is not always the best with regard to level and type of coverage, hence it could be well worth your while to spend a little time checking to make sure that this cheap estimate covers you adequately. There are other ways to make a quote more affordable for you on a month-to-month basis, such as raising your excess or increasing the security measures on your vehicle, so it is worth taking the time to investigate options like this as well. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.